Here's the problem. I'm using a Wacom digital tablet. I'm in Microsoft Word, and I want to use the inking properties of Microsoft Word so I can actually write in a Word document. Right now, my cursor, it goes across all my monitors. I have 3 monitors, so my cursor will go all the way across, and that means that when I'm writing with all the monitors here, I get this kind of not very good. If I confine it just to this monitor we're on for Windows, I can write much crisper, much cleaner, with a lot more control. So I'm going to show you how to confine your Wacom digital tablet to one monitor in Microsoft Word. This will work in any application though. So here's how you do it. You can press the Start button or go to your programs, type in Wacom, and you want Tablet Properties. Then you can add an application, click plus, you can add different applications or browse for whatever you want. Here I added WinWord already, so I click WinWord, and then I'm in pen right now. I want to be in mapping. I have ink on, and I want to just have monitor 2, this monitor right here. So there's no save or apply. I just close it, and then I need to restart. So I'm back, I hit start, and I go to Wacom, those tablet properties there, and then I go to mapping. Actually, I need to go to WinWord first. WinWord, mapping, and it shows that it's mapping it fine. So now you can hardly see it. Here's my pen. When I go to the left, I can't go any further than the side of this right here. So when I come over here, it just stops me. I can't go any further. So that's it. If you have a digital tablet like Wacom, you can control it so it only shows up on one monitor in whatever application that you're working with. This is Dr. B. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.